Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to use a keypad in 4 into 4 plus 4 keyboard in Arduino Uno, and I'm going to check the working of the keypad now. So I've connected the pins like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These pins I have connected the 8 pins, and I'm going to show you the code now. So this is the code I have written for to working of the keypad 4 plus 4 keypad. So I'm giving this rows and columns, and I'm giving the password. No, I'm not giving any password, just I'm going to check the workflow of the keypad. So after dumping this code, you can see that it's getting dumped. Compiling sketch, after compiling it will come as done uploading. So after done uploading, we can check the working of the keypad. So it's getting uploading now, and so now it's getting done uploaded. So now I'm going to press the keys in the keypad. So I'm pressing 1 now. So the 1 is getting printed in serial monitor. See, and 2 also will getting printed, and all numbers will get printed in this one. 4, 5 and 7, 9, 8, like these numbers are getting printed. A, B, C, D also will get print. So this is the working of keypad. Thank you.